Hi there! Welcome to the Notorious Needle. I'm Sarah.
I'm Bridget.
And today we're unboxing the Starlight Stitchery. Which box is this, Bridget?
This is the Starlight Stitchery Halloween box.
Ooh, Halloween!
Halloween
Yes. Is over, but this is the first chance we got to do it, so here we go.
Yeah. Now, all I did was cut this with the razorette when I was at home.
Okay.
I have not opened this box at all.
I think it's upside down.
You're right. That's because I haven't opened this box at all. Oh, well, didn't want to show that part. Okay.
Edit that out.
And here we go.
Yeah.
So this is how it comes to start with. You have all this lovely extra
Stuffing.
Yep. That's okay. I'll smooth it out and use it for something. And here we have my invoice, which we also don't need. Does it have a list of? No, it doesn't. Okay. And then here's the good
Dun
stuff.
dun dun!
And it's sealed with a little
Sticker.
cute.
The bat.
I'm going to carefully undo that because I can use that on a card. Nothing goes to waste. And we open it up.
Ooh.
And here we have the
Haunted House Stitch Box.
Oh, this looks so cool. So, and it has a QR code. Scan to listen to the Haunted House playlist on Spotify.
Fun.
So I can listen to their Spotify playlist while I'm stitching.
That's a really fun idea.
A really cute idea. I like that. Oh, now, would you like to read the patterns, or we'll find what the stuff is here?
Let's find the stuff, the
Okay.
goodies. We've got stickers.
We do have stickers.
So we've got the Haunted House. Let's see, where are the
Haunted
stickers?
House Stitch Box sticker.
The Haunted House Stitch Box sticker by the Starlight Stitchery, and pumpkins. Oh no, that's not another.
This is
sticker.
a book with a house. Are they the same?
The Haunted House book sticker by Mimic Gaming Company.
Cool. Is it better to have them here?
Yeah, you're fine.
Okay. Yep. Cute. Okay, and then I've got a spoon.
A spoon.
Oh, it's cute. It's got a little pumpkin face. Oh my goodness. Can you guys see that? Little pumpkin face on the spoon. I'm going to open it. Maybe. I think it might be for tea.
Yeah.
Do you see the spoon in there?
Nope.
It says Haunted
Oh,
Hollows.
stainless steel loose leaf tea infuser.
Oh, it's an infuser.
So that's what that's supposed to be. I
Nope,
believe.
that's an infuser.
No, that's the infuser.
That's an infuser for tea. Yes.
Halloween metal charm? No. I don't see anything about the spoon.
Well, cool.
That's nice.
The spoon says it's sponsored by Lively Ghosts. Yeah. And a tea infuser.
Tea infuser, yep.
Which I definitely use because I do drink tea.
And
here's
the
the
tea,
tea.
so it's pumpkin spice black tea by Plum Deluxe Tea.
Nice.
It says it's honeybush tea, black tea, cinnamon bark, cardamom, ginger root, cloves, calendula, safflower, calendula, thank you, safflower, and natural pumpkin essence.
Oh, that looks good. I'm going to try some of that.
Yeah, can you smell it
Ooh.
without opening it?
Well, hope not, because if you can smell it without opening it, then it's
Okay.
it's not sealed well, and
Right.
this is sealed pretty well. But you know what? I'm going to open it anyway, because it's got one of those resealable
Those
bags.
zippers? Yeah.
Yeah, see, so it's a resealable bag, and I'm going to open it anyway.
Let's see, you've probably got enough in there for several cups.
Oh, I would think so. Yeah, I could. Several pots, actually. This looks like a good 2 ounces. Does it have? Oh, it says 1 ounce content. Whoa, smell that. You can really smell the cardamom.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Woo! That smells good. It's sweet
Right?
and cinnamony.
Yep.
Almost like maybe an apple pie blend.
Very good.
Very
I'm going to enjoy that. Okay. Oh,
Haunted House Luxury Wax Melt by Foxglove and Rue.
I like Foxglove and Rue's stuff. I've got some of their other tarts. Oh, look at that. It's got some kind of
Interesting.
stuff in the
Oh, it's
bottom.
glitter.
Is that glitter?
Yeah.
Oh, some of it's glitter. Yeah.
Ah, that's fun. That's like the brightest green.
It's like dark corridors, ghosts, and a hint of pumpkin spice.
Ooh,
Nice, huh?
creepy.
Let's see if I can open this one. Oh yeah, there we go. Whoa, interesting.
Oh yeah, it's got like a very like earthy autumnal scent.
Yeah, which belies the color.
Yeah.
You would expect something different from that color. But I use wax tarts in my office all day.
Very nice.
So that'll go good use. Oh,
So
we've
what
got a
have we
bag. What's in the bag?
Is it the floss?
Is it the floss? Let's see. It's the floss.
It's the
You're
floss.
good at this.
So the floss is 5 exclusive hand-dyed colors by Forbidden Fiber Company.
Oh, nice. So you've got Spectre.
Okay.
And you've got velvet drapes.
Ooh, look at that. That's like a
That
really
is
pretty,
really
variegated lilac color.
Yeah. And let's see. Then you've got ectoplasmic aura. Okay, there's a little tiny bit of green in here.
And purple.
Oh, yeah.
It's
so it's
very subtle.
Right. So the Spectre is more of a gray. So you can see when you put them together,
Yeah.
they really are 2 different colors.
Mhm.
Which at first I wasn't sure.
Yeah, that's cool.
And then arsenic wallpaper. Oh, this harkens back to a time in like the 18th century when they came out with green, and it was actually made with arsenic and it poisoned people.
Oh gosh.
Oh yeah, yeah. Your green dresses,
your new gown would kill you.
could kill you. Yeah,
Holy
absolutely. Yeah.
Beauty hurts.
If you're into history. And rusty nails. Oh, I like that color. Look at that one.
Interesting.
That's a really cool orange.
Also lightly variegated.
Yeah, very nice.
Very nice.
Is there anything else? Nope, that's it for that little cotton bag.
Looks like next we've got the fabric. It's a 1/2 yard of ghostly hand-dyed fabric by Starlight Alchemy.
Ooh, it's a very light blue kind of color. Yeah. And it's a half yard?
1/2 yard.
Wow. That's a lot of fabric.
That's a lot of fabric.
That is yeah, look at, wow.
That's very generous.
Yeah. All right, I'll fold it back up. It's not very variegated. It's
No,
more
it's like
or less,
a baby blue.
Mhm, it's more or less like or a sky.
Or like a cloudy.
Yeah.
But it's more solid. It's a solid color. Yeah.
Mhm.
Very
Liking
nice.
that.
And then the patterns.
Oh, they've got the magical wax melts.
Oh, from
A
Fox.
little thank you card. Oh, don't have a melter? You can put our melts out in addition, a sunny window or a jar with holes in the lid as a car air freshener. Oh, that's a cute idea.
Yeah.
I hadn't thought of doing that.
That would totally melt in our cars.
Oh,
Yeah.
in Florida?
Yeah. Even in winter, cars get over 100 degrees.
All year. Yeah,
Inside.
and then it has instructions on using the wax
Very
melter.
cool. Oh, that's a charm over there.
Oh, I wouldn't have seen it. Thank you.
Yep.
Oh my goodness, look how cute it is.
That is the Halloween middle charm. Add this charm to your haunted house.
It's a little ghost.
Aw,
A little blue ghost. He's cute.
that is cool. Very nice.
A little enamel.
Okay.
And then we come to this. Now, we can't really show you the patterns, so I'm going to do a little judicious. Okay, so here's the here's the book. Featuring the design talents of Cobweb and Rose, the house and graveyard. The Witchy Stitcher, the bedroom. World on a String by Dara is the kitchen. Foxglove and Crow is the library. The Stitch Crypt is the parlor. Tuscan Cardinal is the dining room. Stitch Sprout did the attic. Fine Frog Stitching, the bathroom. Bendy Stitchy Designs did the living room. Mama Witch Cross Stitch did the laundry. And Noctiflora Designs did the greenhouse.
The greenhouse, of course.
Of course. So that's not the pattern. Let's see if I can find the whole pattern in here. So I found the page map, which is the only finish of the project. And I figured this is really, really tiny. So
Yeah.
I don't know if you can tell, but that is what the finished house is going to look like.
So that's the
That looks
greenhouse
fun.
over here.
Mm-hmm.
There's the
Yes.
graveyard.
Right.
Oh, how fun.
Probably the kitchen right
Yeah.
there. Yep, it's kind of hard to tell from here. And then it has, so you're going to start in the upper left-hand corner and go across. And it's 20 different.
20 pages.
Mm-hmm.
It's a big pattern.
That is a big pattern. That's probably why he gave you so much
Fabric.
fabric.
Good point.
But this will be very cool. I actually will
You're gonna stitch
this up. I am going to stitch this.
Get her
yes.
done, Bridget.
I am going to stitch this.
How
This one
fun.
is cool. So that is the Starlight Stitchery Haunted House Stitch Box from this Halloween. So yeah, very cool.
Nice.
It's too late to get it now. Sorry, but if you know.
This is the second Starlight Stitchery stitch box that Bridget and I have gotten, and both really enjoyed. So good job, guys. Thank you.
Thanks.
Until next time,
Stitch
on.